In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Gmail to Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to connect your Gmail inbox so your emails and customer conversations live right inside Zoho CRM. This makes it much easier to track communication with leads and contacts without constantly jumping between different tabs or tools. Start inside your Zoho CRM account. Look for the small gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. This is your setup area, where you control most of the back-end configuration. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the setup page. On the setup page, you'll see different sections and options. Find the option called Channels, and within that, select Email. This is where Zoho lets you manage how emails are connected and handled across your CRM. Once you're in the email area, look for the Email Configuration tab at the top. Click on that tab. This section is specifically for setting up and syncing your email accounts with Zoho CRM. You should now see an option or button that says Get Started. Click Get Started to begin the process of configuring your mailbox. Next, Zoho will ask you which email service you want to connect. From the list of providers, choose Gmail. This tells Zoho that you want to sync your Google email account. Zoho will then ask how you want to connect, using API or IMAP. API is usually recommended because it offers a more secure and reliable connection, and it often requires less manual configuration. IMAP is also available if you prefer it or have specific technical reasons, but for most users, API is the better choice. Select your preferred option. After that, click the Configure button. This will open a Google sign-in window. Here, log into the Google account you want to sync with Zoho CRM. Make sure it's the same account you use for communicating with your customers and leads. Google will then ask you to grant permissions so Zoho CRM can access your Gmail. Review the permissions if you'd like, and then click Allow to confirm. Without this step, Zoho won't be able to read or sync your emails. Once permissions are granted, Zoho will bring you back to the configuration screen and ask you to choose your email sharing permissions. You can set this to private, so only you see your emails, or public, so your team can see the conversations associated with records in the CRM. Choose the option that best fits your team's privacy and collaboration needs. Finally, click Save. Zoho CRM will finish the setup and start syncing your Gmail inbox. From this point on, your emails will be available directly inside Zoho CRM, linked to the right contacts and deals, helping you keep all your communication organized in one place.